What happens to investments in National Pension Scheme when the subscriber dies after the age of 60? That's what we are going to discuss today in the Market Secrets Investment Series. Before we get started, I'd like to mention that we at Market Secrets had recently launched Algo Traders Program ATP. If you are someone who is interested in learning end-to-end algo trading, then you can consider joining our ATP program. I'll leave the link to it in the description section of this video. And with that, let's jump into today's session on what happens to NPS account when the investor dies after the age of 60. So first, let's start with what are the documents needed to make the claim. Number one, withdrawal form duly filled by the claimant. Number two, death certificate of the deceased, which is the subscriber. Succession or legal care certificate of the deceased person. And KYC document of the claimant. And bank account proof, which is cancelled check or passbook of the claimant. So these are the things that you would need to make the claim submission. Okay, so where do you submit your claims? So you can submit your claim form to POP, that is point of presence. So under which POP the NPS account is opened, right? Under that POP you can submit your claim form. Okay, so now let's add a couple of assumptions to the scenario. Number one, subscriber dies after attaining the age of 60. So he's dying after buying the annuity plan. Sometimes we can defer the annuity purchase, but consider that or assume that the subscriber dies after buying the annuity plan. Because in the last episode we have seen what is the process if the subscriber dies before buying the annuity plan. This episode is focused on subscriber who dies after buying the annuity plan. So be clear on that. Okay. And the second assumption is nominee exists for the NPS account. Okay. So these are the conditions and these are the documents that we need. Okay. So with that assumption, let's talk about the claim process. Okay. So the payout structure of annuity plan would be based on the annuity purchase that the investor had done. So number one, if the subscriber had purchased the annuity plan with the clause of return of purchase price, okay, so if the return of purchase price is chosen during the annuity purchase, then the entire principal amount will be returned to the nominee. Okay, whatever principal used to purchase the annuity, that complete amount will be returned to the nominee. In case if 50% of the annuity payable option to the spouse is chosen, 50% of the annuity will be paid to the spouse regularly. Okay, so first one was the principal return, so the amount will be settled in full in one shot. But if you have chosen the second option, I mean if the subscriber had chosen the second option, then he used to get regular pension, right? The 50% of the pension amount will now be paid to the spouse if this option was chosen. Okay, and now third option, if 100% of the annuity payable option to the spouse is chosen, then 100% of the annuity will be paid to the spouse. And number four, if 100% of the annuity payable option to spouse with return of the purchase price is chosen and the spouse also dies before the subscriber, then the principal will be returned to the nominee. So you might think, if the fourth option is available, that is 100% is being paid to spouse and you'll also get the capital in return, why should I choose these three options? We might think like that, but the amount varies based on each of these plans. So whatever the subscriber wants or whatever their family wants, based on that they need to select annuity. So based on the different annuity options that the subscriber has chosen during the annuity purchase, the payout will be different during the annuity settlement. So these are the four different settlement options available under NPS annuity. And this is how the settlement will be done on the death of the NPS investor. If you have any queries about this, let me know in the comment section. Also, hit the like button if you have liked this video and share it with your friends if you find it useful. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video or conduct a live session. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Goodbye.